I'm going to be putting a talkies bag into the microwave, and I'll let it be a surprise to what happens. It's a really cool thing. It only sparkles for like a few seconds, but it'll be real cool. I'm going to turn off the lights right now and go to the microwave. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to have a little bit light, and I'm going to do it for 2 seconds, I'm guessing. Like, it's only for, like, a few. Okay. Oh, jeez, this is so freaking scary. Okay, maybe I do need it. I didn't even struggle. If it doesn't do it, I'm going to be mad. Do it for 4 seconds. Oh, it's doing it. I actually need to do it for a while. Oh, look, it's already halfway. I'll do it for... Okay, now. Whoa, it's like... It's so freaking weird. Oh, it's kind of hot. Okay, well, look at that. It's like burnt. Didn't turn out how I kind of expected. I'll try fixing it up. Okay. Oh, that's hot. I'm going to give it a minute to cool down. Okay, so, like, you can still read the words. Like, it all shrunk. Like, it didn't shrink the talkies. That good. Because I guess I didn't have it, but if you need it flat or it's going to, like, melt on there. But if you look on the back, it's, like, words. Like, I can read it. Here, let me try zooming in. Sorry. Here, I'll set this down. Look, you can read all the words on it. It's all shriveled up and everything. It's still kind of hot. So, but it's really cool because you can read all the words and everything. And that's this quick video of that. It didn't really even sparkle. So, yeah. And that's the video. This is really cool. I thought it was going to sparkle because it had, like, metal or something. There was something on the bag, I guess. But, yeah, you can read all the words, and this was the video. Like, if you put a bag in the oven, it would just, like, shrivel up, which is really cool. And hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for this video, and hope you enjoyed.